YouTube, what up? It's your boy Rich Boy Fresh back again with another unboxing. You already know what it is, yo. I was on the internet looking around for shoes online and I couldn't find these Air Max 90s anywhere. I'm talking about the reverse camo, total orange. They sold out nearly everywhere, man. Like I can't find them nowhere locally. I could find them online, but the prices are too high. But I did find this website called Kicks Crew. They had a pair of them, and surprisingly, they were just about probably $10 above retail price. You know, they retailed at 140. I got them at 150. Um, Overall, I just want to see if Kicks Crew is a legit website. I've been seeing a lot of people post about it. They've been saying it's a legit website and they got good prices, so I wanted to check them out. And I was surprised to see that they had a bunch of these in sizes, and they're like sold out everywhere else. So I'm really surprised, and I wanted to know why they have so much in stock and why the prices are so low. I was wondering if these were fakes. I was wondering if they were replica, but no, they're real. They come with this tag right here. They're verified, almost like a StockX tag. The shoe, man, itself is amazing. Like I love everything about it. There's no flaw on it. Everything is perfect. I don't like the white laces. I'm gonna swap that out with the orange. I like the whole Halloween vibe thing going on. Here we got the Kicks Crew tag right here, boom, boom. Gives you a little note, tells you the shoes are official, and if you don't like how they look, you can return them, but you have to keep the tag on. The shoes come with two laces, orange and black. I'm gonna swap the white with the orange. I might do the black, I'm not sure. Like I said, I want that Halloween October vibe with these. You see the back, Nike Air. Nike Air. Oh, it's always good to have that on the shoe. And yeah, man, these are it, man. Like the orange in this camera doesn't do it justice, man. Like the orange up front, while you have the shoe in hand, it's like a bright neon orange, super bright. Like it really doesn't know justice, man. Like you could almost see the brightness on the shoe in the back right now, almost, but it's just way brighter than that. It's crazy, man. Like people are definitely gonna be looking at your shoes like, oh shit. But yeah, man, white bottom. You got the orange bottoms, white soles. Comes with the tag, boom. Got a little bit of black in there. Got the camo. I like how the camo is nice and brown, light brown. Throw in some black in there. I like that. When you throw in some neon orange with that, I don't know. It looks right, man. I got no complaints about the shoe. Kicks Crew, yeah, yo, legit, man, legit site. You guys got to check it out. Good prices. I seen some DMP6s at retail price, man. On the website, retail price DMP6s, and I'm like, what's going on here? But maybe this is my thing, man. Kicks Crew this is the on feet right here. This is the white laces. I don't really like the white laces. I'm gonna show y'all the orange laces. Bam! Look at that, man. Beautiful. But like I was saying, man, Kicks Crew is located in Hong Kong, so I was skeptical at first, but then, man, I realized, Hong Kong, they do have some official stuff around, man. Not everything is fake, and this is one of the stores that are real. And the thing is, I feel like Hong Kong has different tastes in shoes, so you're gonna have things that are sitting there, and you're gonna have sizes there, and you're gonna have low prices. So check out Kicks Crew, man. Everything's legit. Checks out, man. Check it out, man. Check it out.